Want to download the Game Peak on Steam? Here's how to do it. First, open the Steam app or go to store.steampowered.com. Then, log into your Steam account or create one if you don't have it yet. To create your account, enter your email address, confirm it, and choose your country. Then complete the CAPTCHA. Agree to the terms and click Continue. Next, once you already log in, use the search bar at the top right and type Peak. Click on the game from the search results. On the game page, hit the green Add to Cart button. Proceed to checkout, and after purchasing, click Install. Steam will begin downloading Peak automatically. Once it's done, press play, and you're in. If you've got questions, drop them in the comments. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.